You have a client that prefers individual lashes over strip lashes but doesn't want to keep them on for a week? Let me show you how to apply Ardell's individual lashes using Duo's 1-Day Strip Lash Adhesive. Before we begin, let's make sure we have all the items we need and our workstation is clean, organized, and sanitized to avoid cross-contamination. Ask your client to look down the whole time and not shut their eyes completely. Use a slanted tweezer, gently pull an individual off the tray from the flared end side and dip the tab side into the adhesive. Next, carefully place the individual lash right on top of your client's own lashes along the lash line. The closer you get to the lash line, the more seamless it will be. Start at the outer corner of the eyes and work your way towards the inner corner. Keep repeating the process until it's complete. Once you have done both eyes, have your client open her eyes and check to see if lashes on both eyes are even. If they are not, you can go back and fill in. Finish off your client's lashes with a little mascara and curl them if needed. It's that easy, and don't forget to remind your client to remove her individual lashes one by one before removing the rest of her makeup.